Imagine yourself in this Ram 2016 2500 Laramie. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 6.7-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, AC power outlet, 1 air conditioning with dual zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, Bluetooth and climate controlled, driver and passenger heated cushion, driver and passenger heated seat back. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.